Oh, says out Daikiri last classic play moving a body outside Love Hate nothing to fear. Santino's best comes next. Miss Dainty, Queen Cheetah, and Lady Pio is the early trailer. Now we have Love Hate takes the lead running by the release Daikiri last. Racing in third, classic play, Miss Dainty in fourth. Alongside Pip comes nothing to fear. Santino's best, Queen Cheetah, and Lady Pio. Two horses fighting out for the lead. Love Hate, Daikiri Lass is running by Drala. Miss Dainty now racing in third and in fourth. Classic Flame, nothing to bear in favor. And that's still Love Hate, Daikiri Lass fighting out for the lead. Miss Dainty trying to get closer in third and comes Classic Flame, nothing to fear. And that's still Love Hate. By about 2 lengths, Miss Dainty now in second. Daikiri Lass drives back in third and followed by Classic Play and nothing to fear with Love Hate by about 3 lengths. And in second is Miss Dainty, Daikiri Lass, nothing to fear. Love Hate now racing away by about 6 lengths. Miss Dainty, Daikiri Lass is running by the last 75 meters. It's all number 6, that's Love Hate. Second, Daikiri Lass, Miss Dainty, Santino's best, Queen Cheetah.
Okay, bayang karerista for race number 5, our unofficial winner, second choice, numero 6, Love Hate. Masa segundo, numero 4, Daikiri